Hi everyone, in this video we'll look at how we can trigger automations in Airtable with something called as webhooks. So idea is that if we don't find the trigger application in Airtable, because obviously not all applications have been integrated with, then what we can do is if we want to send data from this external application, which obviously has this webhook functionality, we can trigger an event from that application. Let's say I want to create a product in Shopify, and on when I create that product, I want to send that data over to Airtable and put that data into an Airtable product table. So for in such scenarios, if Shopify trigger is not available in the trigger list of Airtable, then what we can do is we can create this webhook over there in Shopify and send the data back to Airtable. So obviously, it may sound a little complicated when I talk on it orally, but yeah, when we look into it, things will be more clear. By the way, I'm Romit. We are an AI automations agency helping businesses organize and automate with no-code tools like Airtable, Zapier, etc. So if you want to understand how we can do that also for your business, please hop on a call with me. The link would be in the description and I'll be happy to help you. Yeah, coming back to the topic of the discussion, let me quickly share. So let's say we have this Airtable schema, which contains tables like contacts, company, products, product category, orders, etc. And what I want to do is I want to automate the product creation. Let's say that we are basically trying to sync an e-commerce store product into the schema. So what should happen is when I create a product here, this is one of my test stores. When I create a product here, it should automatically the data or the product should go and sit here in this table. Okay, so and we want to do this automation with Airtable automation available. So how we are going to do it is I click on create automation, add trigger. Now, as you can see, these are the options available when a trigger can happen. And the topic of this video is related to triggering an automation with a webhook. Okay, so as you can see, the integrations are only available for these 5 applications. Shopify is nowhere to be seen. So what we can do is we can have a webhook received, selected here, and obviously Shopify contains the webhook functionality. I've already set it up. I've already set that uh, webhook in Shopify. Let me quickly show you where that is possible. So under the settings, if you go under notifications and look for webhook, you will see create webhook option. I've already created a webhook on product creation, and this is the URL which it basically and this is the URL I configured this webhook on. So if I quickly delete this webhook, let me quickly create this webhook for you. So, you get a complete idea. And here, a lot of different events are available. You have to click the product create event here. Product creation format, let's keep it JSON format. So the data comes with JSON format. The URL would be available here. When we select this option, webhook received, it gives you this URL. Basically, the call which Shopify needs to make when a product is created in Shopify. Okay, so it calls this URL, which is hosted with Airtable. Okay, so that the data is received by Airtable. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll copy that URL, pasted it here, and clicked on save and created this webhook. As simple as that. Okay, so this webhook is now created. What this will do is it will trigger a call to this URL when a new product is created. Okay, so let's quickly try doing that. Let me add a test product. let's say it's a I'm just adding some random product. It's a jewelry store containing a woman jewelry like earrings, necklaces, etc. So I'm just creating a product related to that. Let's say price is somewhere in this range, and we are also having some 10 quantities available with us. Okay, and we are not adding any other options right now. Let's add product type. Let me add Chandbali here, and if we want, we can add a vendor here as well. That's it. So I'm clicking on this, and this product got created in Shopify. Let me quickly test this trigger. So to test this trigger, I have to click on test trigger button, and I see step successful. That means we indeed received some data to this URL or to this webhook received option which we selected. And what we can do is we can check on the body. So, we have the product type, Chandbali, title. So the product information is coming correctly here. Okay, so we have received the information from Shopify. What I want to do next is when I receive the data, I want to uh, create this data in a Airtable table known as product. So I'll click on create record and select a table here known as products on the right side. Choose a field known as name, and then I can map each and every field based on the field, the parallel field coming from the request there. So name corresponds to the title. So I'll go inside the body, look for the title. So there I go, I have the title. Next up, unit price. So here you have to click dynamic because the data is coming dynamically for each product. I think the price is available inside the variants option. This is the price. Okay. Quantity available. Again, click on dynamic. I think the this option is also available under variants. Let me quickly go under variants. Let, let me quickly do that. Inventory quantity. So we have inventory quantity 10, which is mapped. Product category, we can map Chandbali there. So let me look for product type. There we go. That's it. I think other fields are not required. And what I can do is generate a preview just to see what we have here. So name is mapped to this value, unit price to this, quantity to this, and product category to this. It looks fine. What I can do is I can click on the other tab, run the test. When I run the test, then the automation actually runs and it should create a record in the product. Let's quickly go over to data and see if the record got created. So yes, the record got created and the automation which we wanted to establish worked. So yes, this is what I wanted to cover in this video. We wanted to trigger the automation with the help of webhooks, and we did it with a third party known as Shopify. On create product webhook, we received the data and we put that data into a table in Airtable. So this is how you can do that. By the way, like and subscribe the channel if you like the content. And if you want to hop on a discovery call with me, you can book a call with me. Link is in the description, and I'll be happy to help you how you can automate your business with no code tools and organize and increase the efficiency in your business. Uh, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.